mystery of Roanoke is not merely a historical event. It's a myth that has shaped the American imagination. The allure of the unknown, the fate of the vanished, has fueled a storm of curiosity and speculation for centuries. Perhaps some mysteries are destined to remain unsolved forever. Roanoke and its surroundings were home, not just to the friendly Croatoan, but also to various other native groups, including the hostile Sokotan tribe. The arrival of the English disrupted the delicate regional balance. Were the colonists caught in an intertribal conflict? Or were they annihilated by a hostile tribe? This remains one of the darkest scenarios. Beyond human conflict, the lost colony might have faced the unforgiving brutality of nature. Extreme droughts, hurricanes, or virulent diseases could have rendered the colony uninhabitable. Faced with malnutrition and unknown ailments, this small community might simply have succumbed.